Here's an edition of the Red Ned show without Red. She's running the camera. She decided that she's been doing so many of the Red Ned shows by herself that I get to do this by myself. We're in Yankton, South Dakota at the corporate office, and today we're going to explain the difference on our Express Tarp line. Alec, our marketing intern, is going to help us with this. Alex, I'm sorry.
It's all good.
I'll get it right. He's new, I'm old. Okay, the only difference between our Super Duty Tarps and our Express Tarps is this is the Super Duty. The strap is a little bit longer and it goes on both sides of the tarp. The Express Tarp line, it goes here and just around the pipe. The material's the same, the tarp width is the same. The only reason we call it Express is that they're made up in stock, ordered by noon, ship out the same day. That's the only difference. Single strap, double strap, a little bit shorter, doesn't affect the quality one bit. And that's the difference between our Express Tarp line and our Super Duty line.
What color can you get for Express Tarp?
The Express Tarps come in just black.
Any color you want, as long as it's black.
As long as it's black. It's the old Henry Ford thing.